Excel shortcut part 21. In this video we will see a simple shortcut to hide rows and columns. Select Ctrl+9 to hide a row, select Ctrl+10 to hide column. Thank you for Excel shortcut, part 22. In this video, we will see how to create a bar chart using repeat and playbill font based on the cell value. Enter the repeat formula with the pipe symbol and select the cell value. Then double-click the cell corner to apply for the entire column. After that, select the cell and change the font to playbill and hit enter will change the repeat value to bar chart. Excel shortcut, part 23. In this video, we will see how to calculate the working days in Excel with and without holidays. Excel shortcut, part 24. In this video, we will see how to use the filter function in Excel with partial match. The filter function is available only in Excel 365. To use select records from a set of data based on a partial match, you can use the filter function with the search function. Thank you for watching. Excel shortcut, part 25. In this video we will see a simple shortcut to convert any text to a hyperlink. Thank you for watching. Thank you for Excel shortcut, part 27. In this video, we will see how to create the drop-down list for the cell. Excel shortcut, part 28. In this video, we will see how to calculate the difference between two dates. Excel shortcut, part 29. In this video, we will see how to create a calendar using the sequence function. Excel Shortcuts, Part 30. In this video, we will see some important shortcuts for Excel. Thank you for watching. Don't Excel Shortcuts, Part 32. In this video, we will see how to extract names and initials from emails in a Flash. Excel Shortcuts, Part 32. In this video, we will see how to extract names and initials from emails in a Flash. Excel Shortcut, Part 33. In this video, we will see how to have leading zeros with displaying errors. Excel Shortcut, Part 32. Use this lookup function to find things in a table or range by row. For example, look up the price of an automotive part by the part number, or find an employee name based on their employee ID. Thank you. Excel Shortcut, Part 34. In this video, we will see how to find the employee is late or not based on their logged in time. Excel Shortcut, Part 35. In this video, we will see what is VLOOKUP and how to use it. When you need to find information in a large spreadsheet, or you are always looking for the same kind of information, use the VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP works a lot like a phone book, where you start with a piece of data you know, like someone's name, in order to find out what you don't know, like their phone number. Thank you. Top 5 key difference between XLOOKUP and VLOOKUP in Excel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you for Excel Shortcut, Part 36. In this video, we will see the difference methods for the concatenating the cell values. Thank you for watching Excel Shortcut, Part 37. In this video, we will see how to compare two columns and display the duplicate values in the third column. Thank you for watching Excel Shortcut, Part 38. In this video, we will see how to compare two columns and display the unique values in the third column. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.